Good morning, everybody. Today is October 14th, 2021. Today I just woke up. I just woke up. Hold on one sec. Hold on. Let me go downstairs. Let me see what's on the pool. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? What's up? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Did my man Bone, did my doggy Bone, my man Boney, did my cat Lava. My cat Lava right here. He right here. You see him? Hey Lava. Did my man He said, what's up? So today I am gonna go to the Jimmy Jim Gym. I'm gonna work out for me. And I'm gonna listen to J. Cole. I'm gonna listen to the Sideline Story. I just swear. Whew, that got me out of breath running up and down these stairs. 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 Whew. I gotta get my hair ties together. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Y'all like that? Y'all like that? Tell me if you like that. I got so much energy. So last night, I was tossing, I was turning, I was flossing, I was yearning. I just couldn't get no type of sleep. But I did get some sleep. I'm playing. It was a lover. Lava has this trick where he gets on my back and then he takes my hair bows and then he loses them. Or he hides them somewhere or something. But either way, I have to keep a watch of my hair ties. I can give him one though. I have some extra ones. I'll give him one. Here you go, Lava. Lava. Here you go. You want this? You want this? You don't want this. I'll put it over here. And then I hide it somewhere and he reaches it and finds it. It's a little thing me and my kitty cat do. But yes. I know I had lots of dreams last night. I didn't really set the intention to remember them though. I probably should get back in the rhythm of doing that. So I can write them down or type them out. So I can write them down. Type them out. Alright, that looking good? That looking good? But yeah, so had lots of dreams. Kept tossing, turning a lot. I woke up a lot. I did get sleep, but I woke up a lot. And I had so much energy. Like I wasn't tired throughout the night, which was really cool. Very happy about that. Because for a minute, I've been sleeping in super late. And it's been like a normal thing. What's up, Lava? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Lava said, how you doing? How you doing? This is my show now. This is the adventures of Lava Cat. I got this. I got this. Do you want this? You don't want this. You would not want this. Oh. Oh. You ready? Yeah. Said it is mine. My hair tie. It is all mine. Alright, you ready? I'm gonna throw it again. Oh. Oh yeah.
You dropped it. So I'm gonna leave this here. Hold on, drink some water. I'ma leave this here. Yeah. I'ma leave it here. Ooh. You're so cute. You the cutest. You're the cutest. The cutest. Ooh. Lava's a model. Model Lava.
All right. Let me put some deodorant on and get ready for this Jimmy Jam. You want to smell it, Lava? Ooh, you don't like it. You don't like it. You don't like it? It smells so good to me. I got that aluminum free, you know what I'm saying? Secret. Sponsor me! Sponsor me! I am hype. Don't mind me. I'm just hype out here. I gotta wash my face real quick. Not really wash, just water. You know, I'm a big plant. Your face is a plant. You gotta water that thing. You gotta hydrate. Let me wash my hands first before I touch my face. Gotta wash every crevice. I'm just playing. So I'll wash my eyes, get the crust out. You know, if you have any eye crust. You know, swish around your mouth real quick. Maybe it'll help with the breath. I don't know. Then I pat dry my face. And there we go. That's my routine. Beauty routine. Beauty routine 101. Yeah. There's Lava again. Lava said, what up, though? What up, though? How you doing? Welcome to my home. This is a scratch post. He loves scratching this one. But yeah, this is us. This is how we live. But yeah, I'm about to go downstairs now. I'm gonna walk Booney. Me and Booney about to go on a little whiz-off. A little whiz-off. Let me unplug this real quick. But yeah, this is me. This is what I do. Gotta run with Lava. I love Lava. I'm gonna show y'all Booney. Booney, what's up, Booney? What's up, Booney? What's up, Booney? What's up? How you doing? I love you. Love you. Alright. Alright. This is my desk. This is my book, man. Y'all should read it. This is my other book. Y'all should read it. This is my booty. Y'all should meet him. I love you, Booty. I love you, Booty. I love you. Look at Lava. Lava's out here. You wanna go outside? I'm about to leave. Well, no, I'm not. You wanna go? Ooh. Ooh. Boone, you wanna go outside too? What you wanna do? What you wanna do? They love going outside. This stuff right here, it's like a digestion shot. It's like a morning shot with ginger and probiotics. They got lots of good stuff like black pepper, pineapple juice, apple cider vinegar, lemon juice, acerola, cherry extract, cayenne pepper, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, so I usually scratch my ear, but I usually get a banana. I'm just now like getting back on track with eating healthy. Gotta get that chlorophyll. Ooh, yes. I have some key limes. I got this electrolyte drink. These are really good. They taste good. You wanna try some more? No? You're not feeling it? You ready? He caught it. Lava's a pro, man. I got another one right here. Here we go. Ooh. Damn. He caught it again. Alright, we got another one right here. Here we go. I'm gonna do it like this.
We got the food. We got lava. You ready, lava? Let's go.
Let's move these out the way. Make room for the new. This is my song right here. This is my song.